This is Spirits of the Forest by Thundergriff Game. This is the deluxe version. Just came from Kickstarter, so let's see what's inside the box. Okay. The magnet. Nice artwork. I just wanted to show these. Here's the rule book. It's not too big. Basically it's just 1, 2, 3 pages for the rules. The 4th page is actually the solo variant. The rest of the pages are in different languages, so it's not that big. For the Kickstarter, we did the deluxe, so they put the expansion inside too. Yeah, the expansion rule books. So this is also part of the Kickstarter. Kickstarter expansion cards, and this is part of the expansion. Sorry, people. Expansion, dragonflies, and this is also part of the seasons, which is part of the expansion. The rest is the game tokens. These are which I could play on. Nice and solid. Look at that. I know a lot of people in the game group is gonna love this. Simple, easy, but you get to when you get to grab things, put it down, you get that sound. Look at that. Oh yeah, they're gonna love this kind of stuff. Okay. And then you got your player colors. This represents the elements, so you probably get the water, air, and earth, and fire. Yeah. Okay, and then it needs to give you a score page. And if you ever did Thundergriff games, always get this nice coin they give with the collection. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. This is the only time, but I've seen Thundergriff do games with two retail version. It's a smaller box. This is the deluxe version. There was one more special, a little bit too much for me. A little gold trimming and stuff, but I wish they don't do all that. Just have one normal, one deluxe. That's fine. But that's pretty much it. This is Spirits of the Forest. Just let me know if this actually helps you guys out, or you know, I'll try to make these better. These are just on the go, yeah. Okay, that's what's inside the box. See you around.